Hello friends, I am Pragnay Sharma. Welcome to Superkids Planetium Club. Today we are discussing dwarf planet Eris. Let me tell you something very interesting about this planet before we start our session. Eris is one of the largest known dwarf planets in our solar system. It's about the same size as Pluto but is 3 times farther from the Sun. Eris first appeared to be larger than Pluto. This triggered a debate in the scientific community that led to the International Astronomical Union's decision in 2006 to clarify the definition of a planet. Pluto, Eris, and other similar objects are now classified as dwarf planets. Okay, so now we are starting. So now I am sharing my presentation. Can you see my presentation?
Yes.
Okay. So today we will talk about Eris. So Divyanshi, can you read this?
Yes. Eris is the dwarf planet and Sun's Neptune object TNO. It is the second largest known dwarf planet in the solar system. Eris is satellite small than Pluto, but it is more massive. Has more mass than Pluto.
Okay, good. Now Akshat, can you read this?
It is a scattered disk object in the Kuiper belt further out than Pluto. It is also called a Plutoid because the IAU decided to rename all trans-Neptunian dwarf planets as Plutoids.
Eris orbits the Sun once every 557 Earth years. It has an elliptical orbit, inclined at an angle of 44 degrees between the plane of the orbit of the planet and the plane containing Earth's orbital path. Now this is discovery about Eris. Eris was discovered by Michael E. Brown, Chad Trujillo, and David Rabinowitz on January 5, 2005, when they were having a close look at some images of the outer solar system taken in 2003. Eris has one moon called Dysnomia. Eris was originally called Xena after the main character of the television series Xena, Warrior Princess. However, this is a rule of stating that all objects orbiting outside Neptune's orbit have to be named after a creation of mythology. Therefore, it was officially named Eris on September 13, 2006. Eris is named after the goddess of strife, discord, contention, and rivalry in Greek mythology. Now, Akshat, can you read this?
Eris has one moon called Dysnomia. It was discovered on September 10, 2005. Dysnomia was originally nicknamed Gabriel after a character from the television series Xena. Warrior princess like Eris. However, like Eris, it could not be called this. Dysnomia was named after the daughter of Eris in Greek mythology. Dysnomia is the goddess or spirit of lowness and poor civil constitution.
Okay, good. Classification. Media reports have argued that Eris is the 10th planet along with astronomers and NASA scientists. However, the definition of a planet was changed in August 2006. Under the new specifications, Eris, along with Pluto, was lowered in status to a dwarf planet. Future. Scientists are continuing to find out more about Eris and its moon, and to look for any more moons and possible rings. Because Eris is so far away, it would take 24.5 years to visit Eris with a space probe. Eris is about 68 astronomical units away from the Sun and presently about 95.1 astronomical units from the Earth. It takes about 13 hours for light to travel from Eris to us. Now, Akshat, can you read this?
It takes about 558 Earth years for Eris to make one trip around the Sun. As it orbits the Sun, it completes one rotation every 25.9 hours.
Okay, good. Now, Divyanshi, can you read this?
Yes. Like Pluto, it's a slight smaller than Earth's moon. It has a radius of about 722 miles or 1163 kilometers, thus 1/5 the radius of the Earth.
Okay, good. Eris. Due to extreme cold temperatures, it seems unlikely that life could exist there. If a person would stare into the sky from Eris, he or she would see a very sharp view of the Milky Way and the stars, since atmosphere could not get in the way. The most spectacular view would be that of its moon, Dysnomia, which is around 650 kilometers or 403 miles in diameter, while also a big advantage would be the fact that it is pretty close to Eris, orbiting its parent planet at only 37.000 kilometers or 22,990 miles away. Eris moon yes.
Pragnay, can I read this?
Okay, you read.
Eris moons orbit 10 times closer its parent planet than Earth's moon.
Okay, good. Okay, now Devanshi, you can share your facts.
Okay. Eris is the most distant dwarf planet from the Sun and has the greatest mass. Eris is the second largest dwarf planet that is very close second to the Pluto. Eris was once considered from the positions of 10th planet. Eris is the most massive dwarf planet in the solar system, exceeding Pluto's mass by 28%. Fifth, Eris is named after the Greek goddess of discovery. Sixth, Eris is the second largest dwarf planet. Seventh, Eris is unquestionably the most massive of the known dwarf planets.
So now you know everything about Eris. If you want to test your knowledge, go to the description of this video and click on quiz link I shared. That's it for today. We will share more information about space and planets in our coming videos. Do subscribe our channel, comment, and don't forget to like and share our videos. Have a nice day. Keep exploring. Bye bye.